Did you know before you start shopping for a home, there are some important things that you need to know? Number one, how much home can you afford? Imagine your frustration as you begin perusing Zillow and going by open houses and calling up listing agents to look at homes, only to fall in love with a home that is $700,000 and then later find out you qualify for a $500,000 mortgage. And before I take you out shopping for your next home, I'm going to connect you with one of my trusted local lending experts to make sure that you're getting the best rate, terms, and payment possible, including some fantastic loan options. There's no cost or obligation to get pre-approved with one of my trusted local lenders. Number two, this month, every new home buyer I work with is going to receive my exclusive love it or leave it commitment in writing that if you don't absolutely love the home that you buy, I'm going to resell it for you at no cost for my listing services, and I'm going to find you the home that perfectly fits your needs. To find out more about getting pre-approved at no cost or obligation, and for details on how my exclusive love it or leave it program is going to benefit you directly, be sure to call, text, or direct message me today. As always, thank you so much for your referrals because you are the heart of my business.